What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and copy your Instagram profile URL on your mobile device. Sharing your Instagram profile link with friends or on other platforms can sometimes be confusing if you don't know where to find it. First, let's open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Once you're on the profile page, you'll see the Edit Profile button just under your bio. Tap on it. Here, you'll find your username at the top. What you need to do is copy your username. Just tap and hold your username and then select Copy. After copying your username, exit the Instagram app. Now, open your preferred web browser. It could be Safari, Chrome or any other browser you use. In the address bar, type in instagram.com/ followed by pasting your username right after the slash. It should look something like instagram.com/your username. Now, to copy the profile URL from your browser, tap on the address bar to highlight the entire URL. Then tap Copy in the menu that appears. This action copies the complete URL of your Instagram profile to your clipboard, making it ready to share anywhere. To demonstrate that the link works, open a new tab in your browser and paste the URL into the address bar. Once you press Go, it will redirect you to your Instagram profile, confirming that the link is correct and functional. And that's it. You've successfully created and copied your Instagram profile URL using your mobile device. This method is straightforward and ensures that you can share your Instagram profile with anyone, anywhere, without navigating through the app to find a shareable link. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.